Starting off level under the proper elevation is critical to a successful installation. Using a laser level or other leveling tool, set a level control line around the entire area to be sighted. An efficient method to use is a story pole to reference off the control line. Mark the desired bottom of the siding so it is a minimum of 1/4 inch below the sheathing and house wrap line. Measure the height of the starter strip and place a corresponding mark on the story pole. This mark indicates the line for the top of the starter. Then align the story pole with the control line mark and strike lines around the building. This will assure a good start to the project. Next step is to prepare all outside and inside corners. It's a best practice to install flashing on these corners. In this video, a 4x4 aluminum corner was bent on a brake and secured to the wall. And using a story pole will help set it at the right elevation. So all inside and outside corners were covered. Yes. In this installation, a clear PVC corner post was used as an outside corner. The 3/4 inch pocket will cover the gap that is left for expansion and contraction of the shingle. This is just one of many ways to construct an outside corner. Installing the starter strip, align the top edge of the starter with the level line you snapped. Leave 1/4 inch space between the corners and the starter pieces. This allows for seasonal movement. Confirm that the starter hangs below the sheathing in the house with a minimum of 1/4 inch. Fasten the starter to the wall using galvanized or aluminum siding nails that penetrate a minimum of 3/4 inch beyond the substrate you are nailing into. Nails should be placed every 8 to 12 inches. Do not overdrive fasteners, as this will restrict the movement during seasonal temperature changes.